Okay, got the new battery in for the 1970 Ironhead XLCH. There's nothing worse than the lead acid batteries. I hate them. Hate filling them up. I hate when they leak and ruin your paint. But you got to fill each one of these holes to the upper level with the acid. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's rising. Then you got to charge it up. No more than 2 amps. Like use a trickle charger. All right, so that one got to there. See, right about there. So I got to go to the upper level. Bubbling away already. It's reacting with the lead plates in there. All right, I'm not going to film this whole thing, but I'm going to fill them all up. And then I'm going to put them on the SPORTSTER. I'm in here trying to fill up this battery, and this damn dog won't stop begging me for biscuits. Just because you're sitting near the biscuits don't mean you get them. I already gave you 2. So knock it off. Knock it off. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but I got the 68 Triumph up on the table. For all my fans of Triumph motorcycles out there. I ordered a rear drum. It should be here in the next couple days. So I gotta remove the wheel, put the new drum on. It already has new brake shoes in it. They didn't seem to do the trick. What the hell? So maybe the liner in that is worn out. I don't know. What do you Triumph guys think? So I'm gonna try, put a new drum on. It was only 80 bucks. The 1968 650 TR6C. It's got I think a 70 or 71 Bonneville head on it that allows you to put dual carb setup, because originally the 68 you could only put, it was only a single carb. So there she is. You can wait all night. You're not going to get another one. You had too many tonight. I mean it. No more. Time to go in. Time to go in. You can look cute. Don't even try that. Don't even try that. You're not getting no more. Okay, YouTube, it's the next day. Had that battery charging overnight. As you can see, it's a, well, maybe you can't see, but it's a rainy, humid, all day today here in South Jersey. So, ain't no bike riding today. Let's see if I got the SPORTSTER battery all charged up. Should show. Hard to do with a camera in your hand. What we got there? 12.7. That's exactly what it's supposed to have. You know what? I have one of these stickers in the house to put on this battery, so it'll match up the original version. But I got the old Triumph up on the table. I got a drum. I'll come back in a second. Let me show you that. What's up, Skybird? I should be starting that boat motor. tonight. You're not getting nothing. You're not getting nothing. All right. This girl's gonna go up in here. I gotta get that sticker first. I gotta address that leak. It's coming from the back side. Gotta look into that. All right, I gotta get that battery on, and then I gotta go through the timing on this. I'm gonna go through the timing real good. I mean, the last time I went through it real good, I broke my ankle. So, going to try it again. I'm a glutton for punishment. No more biscuits. All right. Oh, let me show you the Triumph drum. All right. Lowbrow package came today. Everybody knows lowbrow. It's where you get all your Sportster parts, Sportster chopper parts, and they're really good for Triumph parts. So anyway, I got the brass plug for the chopper Ironhead, and I got myself a drum for this girl. So, oh, that's great. Just break the brand new brake drum. So here's the new brake drum for the Triumph. For all the people who are fans of trumpets, we're going to do a little work on some. All right, so like I said, I put new brake shoes in here already, and it barely made a difference. It did a little bit, but really didn't make much of a difference. So I'm thinking maybe this inner liner here on the brake drum is worn down. I never put a micrometer on it or anything and checked the wear limits, but I figured, what the hell, it's only like 80 bucks, let me try it. The other thing is, this is a 43 tooth sprocket, and that's a 45. So I believe putting this on will actually bring down the RPMs at high speed. So we'll see how that goes, assuming this all fits. Let me check that bolt pattern. Yeah, it certainly looks like it. All right, so I can dig into that. But let's get back over to the Ironhead Sportsters. I'll set you down for a minute. I'm going to pull out this brass plug I got for the old 79 to match with her brass accents I got on it. It's really nice quality. Let's go check it out. Again, you're not getting another one, fatty. You gotta wait. That dog, man. I created a monster by giving her biscuits. She knows that she's got a biscuit jar up there on the shelf in this garage, and she has a biscuit jar in the other garage. So she knows right where to sit, and she'll wait. So I break it in half. I try to keep her healthy. She don't get a whole biscuit every time. So knock it off. So anyway, it originally comes with this aluminum oil tank plug. See, I figured the brass would go nice with the headlight accent, the oil return or oil supply. No, I think they're return. No, they're supply, and they return down the push rods, I believe. I don't know. Don't quote me on that. Anyway, to go with those brass ones, the gold chain, and I used grade 8 bolts that were gold. So let's throw this on there, see how she looks. So that'll all tie in. Maybe, maybe not, I don't know. We'll see. All right, let's get this bike out of here and start digging into the timing on the green one. All right, I brought the battery inside where it's a lot less humid and a cooler temperature. But here is the stickers that I bought on eBay that you put on the battery. You wrap that around there like that. Makes it look real nice when it's on the bike. So let me do that and I'll catch you outside. All right, back out in the garage. Here is the new sticker on there. She will go down in here like this. I will then hook up my cables. I don't spark nothing up right now. Let me see. Other way around, slap the lid on it. And then you put the strap on it. Like so. That goes up top. Strap that down. And then the battery will be in. She's ready to go and kick. But like I said, I want to go over the timing. And I'm probably just going to cut this video short. I'll just keep it like a little short, dumb video. Running around. Looking at the Triumph. Doing this, doing that. And because I want to dig into the manual. Dig into videos. I got some work to do and I can't film all that. To really go over the timing again. With this distributor. I gotta take all this off so I can see this clearly. Oh, and I gotta put a new tachometer cable in. I got a inner wire to slip down this sleeve. But I gotta get the distributor cover off. When I get into that, I will film it. But until then, right now, I gotta do some studying. Do some researching, reviewing, and some learning. But all right, I'll cut it short and sweet here. Just a little wet Friday night. Can't do nothing, so come out here and work on the bikes. I will talk to you guys later. I might as well show you the final product. There she is, all tight. Strapped in good. And we have power. All right. Time to dig into the timing. Got to pull the timing mark inspection, the flywheel inspection, hole plug out, get all that stuff off over there. But all right, let me get into it. I can't film and work at the same time. I'll talk to you in the next video.